Let's go!
Run! There's a big scary car! Some weird birds over there. Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. It is the next day. Yesterday we just did a bunch of driving and after that looking for a place to sleep in the car. Hello darling.
Hello.
And today we drove to a interesting location. Let me introduce to you the bridge to nowhere.
Ta-ta-da-ta.
Wait, where is it? Oh, there it is. There. Yes. I don't know much about it. It's just called the bridge to nowhere. And we're gonna walk towards it and show you guys. Plant life around here is quite interesting. Like, what is all this stuff?
Something's growing on it.
Yeah. It's like bean-like things. It's really a bridge that does go nowhere. It's quite interesting. Well, there it is. The bridge to nowhere. There's no information on it. It's just standing there in a field. The only information we could find was on the internet that it's here, and then Google Maps telling you where to go. But yeah, there's not really a way to get there. It's in the middle of some farmers' fields, and we don't want to drive through some crops or trample them while walking through it. But it looks pretty cool. It definitely looks like somebody started constructing a bridge, but then they didn't get permission to buy the land to build the road or something. Something weird happened, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, after that amazing bridge that we couldn't really get to, we are now at a national park here in Latvia, and Letland. And yeah, it has a 3-kilometer hike which goes to a bird watching tower. It's all in swampland, and there's boardwalks across it, and the pictures look really awesome. So I'm gonna try and recreate those beautiful pictures in this vlog for you guys.
Yeah.
Yep. So we already...
There's a lot of
insects.
those insects that bite and give you big ouchies.
In Dutch we say horzels. Fuckers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we already put insect spray on ourselves and sunscreen. We got a backpack full of water, and we are ready for this.
Yeah.
Although it's just 3 kilometers, so it's not that bad. We are very quickly learning that mosquitoes aren't the biggest problem here. It is the biting flies. They are irritating. When they bite, it actually hurts. Anyway, here's an informational sign, and I'm gonna look real quick, because the longer you stand still, the more of those flies surround you. And I guess this is the route we're following, because we're going to the bird tower. There we go. There is the tracks on the map, and we are gonna follow the yellow one. Cool, cool. And so the boardwalk starts. Here we are. So this is the place where we're gonna walk through a raised bog, which is this. Cool. All right. Let's go on to the boardwalk so the flies stop eating us. Oh my gosh, it's windy here. Good. Bye bye flies.
Bye bye flies. You can walk a little slower then.
This is the second board that needs to be replaced apparently. If you are this kind of person that does this in a nature reserve, you should unsubscribe. We don't want you around here. Right, Frida? She's too nice. She said, do better. I just say, no, you don't belong with us. Don't leave your junk in nature, especially a nature reserve. Sorry. I've been in a couple of places like this before, and I didn't see it on the informational sign on this one, but apparently these trees are much older than they look. They just can't grow that fast around here. So a tree that is just this small is maybe already 50 years old, which is quite amazing. But that's why they all look like bonsai trees. We can see the tower. Yeah, it's over there.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
There was a tree in the way.
That's where we're going, babe. That way.
First we're going to sit here.
Are we gonna sit here?
Yeah.
Ooh, look, that's actual swampy.
It's really cute.
Look at that. Now there's no alligators here, but you wouldn't be surprised if there was one. Up into the tower we go. Looking from up here is so different than seeing it from down there.
Yeah, it's all these little lakes.
Yeah, you can actually get to see all the lakes in the landscape. Quite pretty.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. How'd you like the tower?
At the top, a little bit shaky, but one of the better towers we've walked up in actually, because the steps were a bit longer,
Yeah.
so it didn't feel like we're climbing up a ladder, which I approve of.
Yeah. I think so too. Good sturdy tower. Could have been a little bit taller, like one level taller.
No, it's okay.
Bridge. So many trees all of a sudden. It's a long walk